Innovative pop-up tent. The Abco privacy tent offers you instant private space for camping, bathroom and potty use, outdoor showers, changing clothes, and more. Without the hassle of tedious installation, it's a must-have travel accessory for your next adventure. Measures 47 inches by 47 inches by 75 inches, 23 inches by 2 inches carry size. Instant installation. Designed for utmost convenience, our pop-up tent can be set up instantly and is equally easy to fold back into the included carry bag. Set these up effortlessly at the park, poolside, beach, or forest. Impressive functional design. This lightweight pop-up tent offers enhanced airflow and has a side window to allow for outward visibility while still offering privacy from the public while camping or at the beach. Comprehensive accessories pack. The package includes one pop-up canopy tent, one carrying bag, 4 metal mounting stakes, one additional built-in bag to store phone, keys or wallet, and one integrated clothesline to dry your clothes and towels. Guarantee. We also offer a 100% risk-free satisfaction guarantee on this camping tent or pop-up beach tent. We are confident you will love this practical, stable, convenient, and versatile foldable tent. Top reviews from the United States. Great for rest stops COVID times. My wife and I drove over 5K miles across country this month, and didn't enter one building. We would pop this up in the grass and pee right there. If we had to go number 2, we would set up a small portable toilet with a bag to throw in the trash. I would say this thing is harder to set up than to fold up. There is a bit of a suction issue when pulling it apart. I became a pro at folding it, and could do it in less than 10 seconds. We showered in it, and it dried very quickly. We would stake it up at campsites, and it was quite sturdy. I'd say we used it more than 50 times in 3 weeks, and it is still in perfect condition.